one, action. Okay, I get my brush wet. Now I'm going to pick my first color. I think this one is turquoise or blue. And I'm just going to paint right over my fish. But I'm not allowed to use just one color because that's boring. I'm going to wash my brush now and use a different color. Ooh, this one is magenta. Ooh, that's beautiful. Maybe I overlap and blend those two colors. Right, so cool. Now my brush gets thirsty a lot. It looks like that. That means it needs more water. Ooh, now I'm going to use this other blue. Blend, blend, blend. Use this other blue. So watercolor, like it sounds, I have to use water. It helps stretch the paint and let it flow. Ooh, now I'm going to use a little purple. Ooh, it's so beautiful. Yes, Amaya?
Maybe you could do the water with all tons of blue.
I could do it with tons of blue, but I'm going to say you're not allowed to just use blue.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's a good idea. See how I have different like shifts, and maybe I want to even overlap with a little bit more blue. I want to paint gently on my paper. How am I painting? Gently. If I scrub my paper, then I might rip my paper or get little pieces that are coming off. So I am gently painting. When I have painted all of my white paper, then I have a little cup of salt. I have some areas that have a little too much water. That's okay. A little salt. I'm going to do a little pinch of salt. Little pinch of salt. It's going to make it look like there are little bubbles in my water because the salt will absorb some of the paint and it gives a little reaction. It's really cool. Yes, Renato. Yeah, it is not a race. We want to take our time to make this beautiful. Yes, Alonso.
Remember, don't do it fast because your fish eyes come out white.
You know what I did?
Come out white.
Here, wait, listen. Alonso, listen. I took a white crayon and colored in the white part of my fish's eyes and the bubble. And guess what? It stayed white, except I forgot this fish eye. So you could use a little white crayon if you wanted to color that in to give that effect. That's an option. Okay, do you understand your job?
Yep.
Okay, so Ms. Hernandez, we can give the liquid watercolor, but you are not ready to paint if you did not finish coloring. So you can use the crayons at your table and the colored Sharpies. Yes, Damon. That would be lovely. Color. Starfish. I know. Acaba de colorear ese. Ay, sí, mamá, yo lo con Sharpie. Ahí. Miguel, can I have a point for Emma, table 8? She's quietly working. She took a white I crayoned the color in her eyes. I'm proud of her. You are not using the red, orange, or the yellow. Only cool colors. Your turn, Amaya. Oh, do you see mine? Do you see the bubbles? Isn't that cool? It's so fun. Oh, yes, please start. I'm coming. Yeah. Give me a place now for when you're painting. Oh, paint carefully. Thank Oh man.